Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. A very happy Holi to every one of you. So yeah, the product I was waiting for is finally delivered to me through Amazon. So yeah, let's not waste any time and do a quick unboxing. So this is the product. I'll just hide my address and yeah, let's do a quick unboxing. So yeah, we have the DJI Osmo 6, the latest of the Osmo Mobile series. And if you don't know, I still have the first of the lot. This was in 2016. It's been 7 years, but yeah, it stopped working after an year or so. But yeah, from this to this. So yeah, let's now peel this off and see what's the inside box component of the DJI Osmo 6. Oh, I like the packing, man. We have this slide just like the Apple products, this peeler, like a good box. Unfold the creativity inside you. This booklets and wires, a charging cable, a Type-C charging cable, and that's it. From this box we have a magnet to hold to our phones. Okay, the grip is nice. We'll try this. We have a stand with us. Yeah, that's great. They didn't sell any stands back there in those days. It just had this and that's it. And then we have this cushions, and yeah, this is the machine. Okay, nicely packed. So yeah, this is it. This is the machine, and welcome home. From this to this, the way it seems, this seems a bit lighter. The Osmo 6 seems a bit lighter and compact as well. This seems a lot heavier and bulky. So yeah, let's learn about it a bit and then get back to the videos. So yeah, this is what is included in the box. The main machine, the Osmo 6 gimbal. Then we have a stand that was not there earlier, but yeah, it is now. We have this magnet which holds your phone and then sticks back to this part of the gimbal, and we have a Type-C cable and then a small Osmo pouch. So you could see the difference in both the first and the sixth generation of the DJI Osmo Pocket. With the DJI Osmo 6 seems to be more compact in that sense. It can be kept and it can be holded easily, whereas the DJI Osmo Mobile first generation seems to be a bit more of a bulky product, though it was fun to be used during that time. But yeah, comparing to this, it seems a completely different machine. So a bit of setup is done. We just opened this and now we'll have to put the phone on this stand which is magnetically connected with this part. And basically this is the joystick, and you can pan left, right, up and down. Then you got this roller out here which is for zooming in and zooming out, but you'll see that whenever you'll zoom back to one, you'll see slight change in the camera lens being adjusted to the normal lens. Then you got this that will make the entire system from horizontal to vertical and then back again. this is your recording point or taking the photos. These are the different modes. So yeah, the first option is the flow option, where the movement of the gimbal would be according to the movement you make. And like you can see, as I'm getting close it will move, and as I'm getting back it just takes the normal position. So even if you like move the gimbal, the phone would be on the same position. So yeah, that's the tilt mode. Now this is the FPV mode, the third option. Like if I follow, it follows me the same way I follow the lens. So it's kind of a first person perspective view, and it helps to keep it raw, and like it'll just move the way I want it to move. So yeah, this is the movement of the gimbal. This is the flow mode, in which this will tilt as per your option and then go normal. The last and kind of interesting one is the spin shot, where you can, by moving the joystick, the entire movement is like this. So you can take different kind of shots, like this zoom in pan kind of a shot with your phone. So yeah, this was a quick unboxing and review of the DJI OSMO 6. And yeah, it's a fun to use device, and a bit of new funky things included by DJI. And probably I feel they have got everything, with the stand, with a pouch, and with a strong system that you can use for vlogging, for shooting Instagram and YouTube shorts. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like the video. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question about the device, please leave a comment.